How to delete Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically delete your Facebook account, all you have to do is launch the Facebook application here, and then you'll basically see this type of interface here. Then tap on the three lines option from the top right, then tap the gear icon there to come to the settings page. From settings, you want to simply go to see more in account center button. Then from there, you want to simply scroll and go to personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Then select the option of your Facebook account. Then select the option called delete account, because by default deactivate will get selected. So once you tap on delete and then tap on continue, select a reason. Then after that, your account will get successfully deleted after you confirm with your password. That's all it takes to delete Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.